This is not working out. It's watercolor paint, so I think I might try to wash it off and to try something else. I don't think I'm getting this area right. So I have another canvas. I'm gonna wash this off, allow it to dry, and then try something else on the next canvas. Okay, so of course the snowman is supposed to be white, but I don't have enough white. This is the only tube of white I have, and when I went out to get extra paint, I didn't get white. I only got this and black. I wish I had picked up a white, but now I'm thinking maybe I could do a blue sparkly snowman. What y'all think? Or I could do a pink snowman. I really don't know. Or a green snowman. I really don't know what to do at this point, because this is the only white I have. I don't know if you can see, but that will not be enough to make a snowman, and it's snowing, so I won't be going back outside. Oh well. It's art. There shouldn't be any rules, so let's just do something with what we have. Okay, so this is what we're looking like. I think I'm finished. My snowman look a little bit weird. It's not really angled, but I'm not a great art person. I'm definitely not Picasso. So it's just gonna have to work. I'm practicing my painting. So I'm trying to do one for every season. This one was for summer, and this is the kanji for summer, Natsu. Now I need to add the kanji for winter, which is furu or something like that. I'm gonna tell you the right thing, but I'm gonna put the right thing, or furu. I don't know. I'm not good at Japanese. I try my best though. So we're gonna add the kanji there in black. I'm wondering if I should put a hat on the head, but I don't want to spoil it. Sorry, tripod shaking. I don't want to spoil it, so I think I might leave it and just add the kanji. So this is the kanji for winter, and it is fuyu. So it's actually not furu. It's actually fuyu. So this is the kanji, not perfect, but I tried. And this is what we're looking like. I want to put it back on the easel to dry, but the glitter is running because I did not apply it with the paintbrush. I just did droplets. But that's how my snowman turned out. I really want to do something to make it kind of like girly, but I don't want to spoil it. Look at my fingers. Yeah, I don't want to spoil it. So that's gonna be it for my winter painting. I skipped autumn, so I need to do an autumn painting as well.
産後にレシートが